cutting that out. To Brookgreen Gardens in Myrtle Beach. We've been staying here for a week visiting with my family and having beach time and stuff, and today we thought we would get away from the beach and just go check out local attractions. So I did a little research, found a couple options. There's so much to do in Myrtle Beach, so much to do. It's very touristy though, and we're still in COVID time, so we're trying to like stay away from people as much as possible, like crowded places, and these are gardens that should be mostly open for walking around and checking things out. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Gonna have some lunch when we get there. Hopefully it'll be a nice tasty restaurant, get some seafood. Well, I'll get seafood. I don't know what you're gonna get. I think they have burgers too. Do they have crab cakes?
I think they have crab cakes.
I'll eat a crab cake.
Okay, crab cakes are good. Yeah, but it should be a fun time. Oh, there's like a zoo there too, which should be kind of neat to see what kind of animals they have. Hopefully it's a well-run zoo and not a, you know, Tiger King kind of zoo.
Aren't they all kind of Tiger King kind of zoos?
I
mean,
know.
if it's not like a state zoo.
It's like a preserve though, and I think that they're in their natural habitats, and it's just the types of animals that are naturally found in this area. So they're not like, you know, shipped in from Africa or whatever. So yeah, anyway, so that's what we're doing.
All right. That's the biggest squirrel I've ever seen. I don't know if you can even tell, like, on the video.
There he is over there.
It's right over there. He's enormous. It's like a small cat. A big cat. It's like a big cat.
Yeah.
I don't understand him. And he doesn't seem to care that we exist.
None of them do. Look, there's one on the tree.
Yeah. Look at the way it walks even.
Yeah.
Alright. We're getting out of here before the jackalope attacks us.
Well, all these little bulbs are lights, and they are lit up at night, and this whole field will just glow with light.
It's supposed to be really pretty, really cool. I saw a picture of it online, but of course we're not here at night, so we won't be able to see it. But it's a special installation done by an artist, and then, yeah, it's supposed to be really cool. Next time. Go in this one together, close that door, and then open this door.
So the birds don't escape.
Yeah. They're all just sitting there. They're so creepy.
Holy shit. I feel like we're about to get attacked. Hey, birds.
Don't trust birds.
I don't trust birds. This is eerie.
Mm-hmm.
This is the most well done zoo thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, you're just in the enclosure.
Yeah.
It's covered in netting.
Yeah, there's net all the way around, but you don't even realize it except when you're coming in the door, of course.
That was super cool.
Really cool.
I mean, zoos are zoos, but that was neat. It's like you're in with the animals, and you
Yeah,
are.
it's really neat.
Yeah, I hope the alligator exhibit is just like this.
I don't want to be in there with them. This is a little bit more what you expect out of a zoo.
What's up, otters?
Otters and tanks. Get them under the water.
He's the ham. He likes the ham. That's awesome. Here we see the bald eagle, scavenger bird
That represents our country.
that represents our country, feeding off other poor countries. That's right, you. Look at them, mangy beasts.
They are kind of major looking.
They're a little mangy. I think they're losing their feathers though, because it's
Yeah.
wintertime coming. Oh, they're gaining feathers or something, aren't they?
Maybe.
Like they're building up some down.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So these owls all got here because they were hurt from car collisions or other problems, and they had severe injuries and they can't fly well. So they were rescued, rehabilitated, and then they're here to live out their lives. That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Even though this zoo is kind of small, and really it's just got a bunch of basic stuff in it, nothing crazy special, you know, it's like no lions and tigers and stuff.
Oh my.
But, or bears. But I think the Jurassic Park nature of it, like this big walkway and just like the open spaces and just the whole thing, the presentation I like.
Yeah.
It's one of the best zoos I've been to for that, despite what kind of animals you have here. I like how they're being presented.
They suit the environment, so they don't have to build anything special for them. They're meant to live here.
Yeah,
So that's neat.
so I think it's really cool. Very well done.
day here at Fort Macon, North Carolina State Park.
Daily ration.
Look at that fat steak.
Hell yeah. Sign me up.
You get your coffee, your beans.
You're waiting for something?
I don't know. I need my marching orders.
Literally.
It's a little bit prison-y.
No, really, it's to keep other people out. Sunk off here in 1798 or something like that.
Anne's Revenge?
Anne's Revenge?
Yeah.
It's about a mile and a half southwest.
Yeah.
There's no water out there today. I know it's not like that all the time, but the currents are pretty crazy all the time.
Yeah.
And the water is just crazy. I don't know what can survive out there.
Well, this is called, I think this part is called the Graveyard of the Atlantic for that very reason. There's just